Hello everyone, you are watching AI Geek. So today we're gonna discuss about how to prepare the presentation for data science project. So this project is available for free. Just comment below, or if you have any question, or you can just comment below your email address. So you will get this presentation template on your email. Create an awesome presentation required a good techniques, but you can create the presentation that will wow the audience by taking care of following things. So first thing first, you should know the audience. Who is your audience? Let's begin. So first of all, the title of presentation, it should be precise and the meaningable for the audience. So you can mention here, so prepared by the someone, so just mention your name. So the next step is you can discuss the agenda. So your presentation should include these things. So first of all, problem overview. What is your problem? So what are you trying to solve? What's your issue? What are you trying to solve the issue? The solution process, different model comparison. So which model is doing the best? What is the result of the different models? Key findings. So what you finding in your this predictive analysis? Preventive measures. If you are doing some healthcare project, what kind of preventive measures, or you are doing some kind of analysis or some detection, anomalies detection, or some fraud detection, so what kind of preventive measures you can take? So the next is recommendation, what you would like to recommend upon your project. And the next, the potential benefit in the business domain. The problem overview. So you can discuss what is the problem, so what are you trying to solve, and we will examine who is affected by this problem, or who has a high risk of getting this problem, how we can decrease the chances of getting the problem by some preventive measures. Or in the next step, you will see how you can use our insights in the business domain. In the solution process, first of all, you discuss about your data set. So where you get your data sets, and what the data set has, how many observations or features, the explanation of the data set, so what kind of column it has, demographic, history, like that. In the next step, we'll follow up the first step, we analyze the data. Begin with it. So what do you analyze? Is a heterogeneous population or homogeneous? There is anomaly detection, missing value treatments, create new variables upon mutual relation, that correlation on upon the new variable, on if you have some correlated variables, so how you can create the new variable. It's called a feature engineering. In second step, analytic approach. What kind of an analytic approach you are using? It's supervised machine learning, unsupervised machine learning, etc. So in the third step, you can tell how you prepare the model. So for example, we teach the model on the training data set. In the next step, model validation. So how you validate the model, the performance of the model, how you can check the performance of the model, how correct it is, so how it's predicting. So there is a model comparison. If you have 1, 2, 3 model, it should be at least you should have 3 to 4 model comparison for the discussion, and you should know how your model is performing in the sense of accuracy, or some correct prediction, or positive class prediction, it's negative class prediction, and the performance, the ROC curve, the area under the curve, AUC. So our first model, how it performing on the training as compared to the testing, the second model, training and testing, and the third model, training and testing, and so on. You can find out the key insight, the most important factor that influence through the problem. The number one feature, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and so on. You can discuss here. So what kind of feature they influenced. In the third, the preventive measures. So you can discuss the preventive measures. So what kind of preventive measures you can take to avoid these, or the get the or reduce the getting the problem, reduce the getting the disease, reduce the getting that problem or that fraud detection or something. In the next recommendation, so you can give the recommendation upon your what your model saying, recommendation for 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. So you can explain your recommendations. In the last step, the potential benefit, so you can discuss here, so what kind of potential benefit is giving, the sense of the business, 1, 2 or 3, at least it should be 3, 4 is enough. So next, how it's affect in this number, because if you're giving this some business holder, if there's some business domain person, it should be your benefit in this sense of price, in the sense of amount. So it will be for final, and the final slide will be the question answer. So they can ask the question regarding your presentation. I hope the following up these techniques you can make the awesome presentation that will wow the audience. Thanks you guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.